We're now going to turn, of course, to the breaking news reported a few minutes ago involving Barack Obama's grandmother. Barack Obama and his half-sister have announced that she passed away today. Let's join now Lee Cowan. He's with the Obama campaign in Charlotte, North Carolina, with a little bit more. Lee?
Well, David, obviously this is some pretty sad news on the day that the campaign was, for the most part, feeling pretty good heading into the day before Election Day. Statement just went out a short time ago from the campaign communications director, Robert Gibbs, who said that his grandmother had died after a long battle with cancer. Of course, you remember the senator went to visit his grandmother not too long ago in Hawaii, 2 weeks ago, I guess it was now. He was afraid that the end was near. He wanted to get there while she still had her faculties, while she still recognized who he was. So that's the main reason why he took that day off the campaign trail and went back. There was a lot of hope, clearly, in the campaign that she would make it, see how her grandson did on Election Day. Certainly a hope on the part of Barack Obama and the entire family as well. That did not seem to be the case. We don't know exactly when she passed on, whether it was last night or early this morning. Like I said, we just got the statement a short time ago. I think the big question that a lot of people are asking now is just what happens now to the senator's schedule after Election Day. Does he return to Hawaii for a short time for a memorial or for a funeral, or depending on what the election results are, does he have to stay around for several days to begin some sort of transition work if, in fact, he wins the election? All that's still up in the air right now. I think the campaign is just trying to figure out what to do. But, clearly he's only got two more rallies today, one in Charlotte, North Carolina, where I am now, and then another one in Virginia tonight, and then it's back to Chicago, where he will be tomorrow night to wait out the election results. So at least he'll have the opportunity to be with his family and his two kids at this tough time after he gets done with these last two rallies of the campaign. But certainly a poignant note coming on the very last day of campaigning, just before voters go to the polls. His grandmother just didn't make it quite long enough to see what happened.
NBC News correspondent Lee Cowan covering the Obama campaign. And Lee, thanks for that. We appreciate it. And again, it probably doesn't do it justice just to call Madeline Dunham just his grandmother, because there was a time, of course, a critical time in Barack Obama's life when his mother remained overseas and was essentially Barack Obama's grandmother and grandfather, you see there, who raised him during some pretty crucial years in his upbringing. And again, Madeline Dunham has died at the age of 86.